Hi all, welcome to Question Bank. Consists of 10 objective questions about COVID-19. It will helps you in your UPSC and PSC exams. It's the most important questions about COVID-19 and it includes all parts of the coronavirus and its impacts, its severity, its forms, etc. Its virus strain forms, etc. I included all part of the coronavirus or COVID-19. First question is, the novel strain of coronavirus outbreak was first reported on December 2019. First reported on December 2019. Corona pneumonia outbreak was first reported in Wuhan, China. Corona outbreak was traced to a novel strain of coronavirus which was given the interim name 2019 nCoV by WHO. Fourth question is, Corona was renamed as SARS-CoV-2 by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Fifth is, the Wuhan strain has been identified as a new strain of beta coronavirus from group 2B. Sixth is, beta coronavirus has approximately 70% genetic similarity to that of SARS-CoV. Coronavirus disease 2019, that is COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that's SARS-CoV-2. The first confirmed case has been traced back to 17 November 2019, but it was first reported in December 2019. Ninth question is, diagnostic methods of coronavirus are RT-PCR testing and CT scan methods. The RT-PCR scan is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. It is otherwise called reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. 11th question is, the WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak a public health emergency of international concern. WHO declared the PHEIC was on 13th January 2020. 13th January 2020. WHO declared corona as a pandemic on 11th March 2020. Most common symptom of coronavirus is fever. Loss of smell was a new symptom of COVID-19 disease unreported in South Korea. 16th question is, the typical incubation period for COVID-19 is 5 to 6 days, but it can be ranged from 1 to 14 days. 17th question is, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine concluded that the risk for severe COVID-19 was 45% higher for people with a type A blood group than other blood group types. Type A blood group is more severity in that disease, or risk factor is more in this type A blood group persons. 18th question is, corona recovered children may develop another syndrome called pediatric multisystem inflammatory syndrome. 19th question is, the WHO recommends a social distance of 1 meter, that is 3 feet. The virus infected asymptomatic patients who transmitted the disease mostly are 40%. COVID-19 is not transmitted sexually. In Wuhan, first isolated virus strain was severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that is SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2 is closely related to the original SARS-CoV. Coronavirus genetic analysis revealed that it was genetically clusters with the genes, that is beta coronavirus, in a subgenus Sarbecovirus together with the 2 bat-derived strains. The 90% of identical strains at the whole genome are bat coronavirus samples at bat-cov rat G13. The COVID-19 test is typically done in a respiratory samples obtained by a nasopharyngeal swab. For COVID-19 testing, the samples collected are nasal swab or sputum sample. The COVID-19 test results are available between few hours to 2 days. When mask is used as a medical grade face mask, should be reserved and prioritized for healthcare workers. First responder of corona patients is N95 mask. The effective hand sanitizer contains alcohol of 60%. 31st question is, during the initial outbreak in Wuhan, China, The virus and disease were commonly referred to as coronavirus or Wuhan coronavirus or Wuhan pneumonia. 32nd question is the official name of COVID-19 and the SARS-CoV-2 were issued by the WHO on 11th February 2020. 33 is coronavirus disease was first discovered in humans in 1930s. The virus human coronavirus 229E, that is HCOV 229E, first isolated in 1965. Human coronavirus 229E is a species of coronavirus which infects humans and bats. The transmission of human coronavirus 229E transmits by droplet respiration and fomites. Human coronavirus and the human coronavirus VNL63 likely originated from bats. 38th question is case fatality rate of human coronavirus is 5.1%. The Chinese doctor who issued the emergency warnings of coronavirus was Li Weiliang, and he was died. Decoding COVID-19 is a 2020 American PBS documentary television film that was released on May 13, 2020. It's a documentary television film and released in May 13, 2020. Decoding COVID-19. Disease X is a placeholder name that was adopted by the WHO in February 2018 on their shortlist of blueprint priority diseases to represent a hypothetical unknown pathogen that could cause a future epidemic. So they place a name such as disease X. The coronavirus recession is a great shutdown or the great lockdown is a major global recession which arose as an economic consequence of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The IMF predicted that growth rate of India in the financial year 2020 to 21 was 1.9%. The 44th question is Favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug launched from India. Favipiravir. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name of Fabiflu has launched as an antiviral drug Favipiravir. Then 45th question is Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? Answer is monkey. T cells are known as immune warriors, help us to fight some viruses, but their importance for battling SARS-CoV-2 causing COVID-19 has been unclear now. 47th question is name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma chain Pfizer for COVID, that is BNT162. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to coronavirus patients who is in critical condition, that is plasma therapy. How many of the people will require no treatment as such and will recover on their own? Around 8% people. In which family coronaviruses belong? Nidovirus family or Nidovirales order, which includes Coronaviridae, Artaviridae and Rhinoviridea families. In first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. 52nd question is coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold to more other serious diseases like Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. From where coronavirus got its name? 53rd question is from where coronavirus got its name? Because due to their crown-like projections on the surface of coronaviruses got their name. The virus resembles a crown when viewed under an electron microscope. Corona in Latin means hollow or crown. 54th question is according to WHO, a person can take precautions by covering the nose and mouth while sneezing white tissue or an elbow and immediately after the throw tissue into a closed dustbin. 55th question is which of the following is an unusual feature of replication cycle in coronaviruses? The RNAs all terminates in a common 3 and produces nested set transcripts. Which of the following coronaviruses has caused thousands of deaths around the world as an emergent virus? SARS virus. What is the structure of coronavirus? Club-shaped glycoprotein spikes protrude through a lipid bilayer. 58th question is SARS is described as a zoonotic virus. What does this mean? They emerge from animals to cross the species barrier infrequently, so called as zoonotic virus. MERS did not spread by fecal oral route. It does not spread by fecal oral route. Scientific study is not available about it, which is a plausible way to prevent the spread, that is social distancing of 1 meter. What is the major complication involved in a COVID-19 patient, especially breathing issues? When do the symptoms start appearing? 2 to 4 days the symptoms are appearing. Who is more susceptible? Aged persons are more susceptible, or unhealthy or low immune persons are more susceptible. How much alcohol should the sanitizer contain? 60%. What is the distance to be maintained to prevent the spread? It is 6 feet or 3 feet, sometimes 1 meter. What can be worn to prevent the spread? Mask. How to clean the face mask? Washing machine. What test is done for current infections? That is viral tests. What test is done for past infection? That is antibody test. Who carries out these tests? Healthcare providers. How do you know you have COVID-19? They have common symptoms includes difficulty in breathing, cough and fever. Also, you have a containment zone. You must get tested. How do you confirm you have COVID-19? Proper testing by calling the healthcare professionals. 72. How do you know your bodies have sufficient antibodies? Recovery. 73rd is one of the ways that used to treat COVID-19 is plasma therapy. 74th is what is its cause worldwide? It is a pandemic disease. What is the name it is caused worldwide is pandemic. The most affected country in the world is America. Those who have traveled to countries with outbreak has to undergo quarantine. Patients with COVID had to be in isolation. How can we stop the spread from happening? Disinfection. What can you get from public health officials? Up-to-date information. 18th question is to prevent the spread, we have to limit our exposure. 81st question is the people during the COVID-19 crisis for smaller ailments go in for consultations and opt for telemedicine. 82nd question is what does CO stands for COVID? Corona. What does VI stands for COVID? That is virus. What does D stands for COVID? That is disease. Which is the world body that is advising for COVID-19? That is WHO. How to avoid stigmatizing of COVID-19 infected persons? Counseling. What is the origin of this infection? Bats. Coughs and sneeze from infected persons spread through respiratory droplets. What's the source of coronavirus? SARS-CoV-2. How to prevent the spread? Testing. How long do you have to wash hands with soap and water? 20 seconds. What should people avoid touching? Mouth, nose, eyes. Because it's a new form of coronavirus, it is called a novel coronavirus. The transmission of virus is more when the weather is cold. In order to spread the disease, the coronavirus needs a host. The virus can remain on any surface for days, dormant. How to know the severity of the disease? Lab test. People infected with coronavirus in a region is known as community spread. Another factor that acts as a catalyst in the spread of COVID-19 is temperature. App developed by Indian government to fight against coronavirus is Arogya Setu app. Corona first reported state in India is Kerala. When corona first reported in India, 13th January 2020. A COVID-19 economic response task force was also formed by which country? India. In which district of Kerala COVID-19 was first reported? Thrissur. When did Arogya Setu app was initially released? 2nd April 2020. How many languages are available in Arogya Setu app? 12 languages. Which is the toll-free number of Arogya Setu app? 1921. What results in late detection of the disease occurred? Fatal. Who can get infected easily? Low immunity persons. People cured of COVID-19 are recorded for collecting antibodies. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and safe.